Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Legendary difficulty in EAFC. This level offers a truly demanding experience, pushing your skills to their limits. Opponents will exhibit exceptional tactical understanding and execute passes with remarkable precision. To succeed, you must master fundamental gameplay mechanics and focus on strategic build-up play, alongside maintaining a rock-solid defense. It requires patience and a deep understanding of the game's nuances. To dominate offensively, prioritize quick, intricate passing movements, especially 1-2 passes to penetrate the opponent's defense. Leverage your wingers to create width, delivering dangerous crosses or cutting inside for scoring opportunities. Skill moves are vital for beating defenders and creating space. Always aim for well-timed shots from within the penalty area, as these offer a significantly higher chance of finding the back of the net. Defensively, discipline is paramount. Always maintain your team's shape and resist the urge to pull defenders out of position, which can create vulnerabilities. Employ the second man press cautiously, as overuse can open up significant spaces for the opponent. Focus on mastering manual tackling and perfecting your interception timing to win back possession cleanly. Crucially, ensure your midfielders track back diligently to support the defensive line. For advanced play, constantly adapt your formation and tactics to counter your opponent's specific style. Dedicate time to practicing both offensive and defensive set pieces, as these can provide decisive advantages in tight matches. Patience is a virtue. Avoid rushing attacks against a well-organized defense, instead waiting for opportune moments. Finally, regularly review your gameplay replays to pinpoint areas where you can refine your strategy and execution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.